Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 79. Oneul. Oneul. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is O, the second syllable is nul. Pronounce it with me. Oneul. The word oneul is an adverb of time which means today. Therefore, this could be used to denote that an action is being done today. How do we write Oneul in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. The first syllable could be written by drawing an Eon character followed by an O character. The second syllable could be written in Hangul by drawing first a Neon character followed by an character and followed by a real character. And once we are done writing the Hangul for each of the syllables, we can now combine it to form the Hangul for the word Oneul. And with that, you've just learned Oneul. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 69 to 78. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 79 is Oneul. This is an adverb of time, which means today. Word number 78 is irona. This is used to say wake up or get up. Word number 77 is wada. This is a root verb which means to come. Word number 76 is onje, and this is used to ask when. Word number 75 is nuna. This is a Korean noun for sister, which is used by a younger brother. Word number 74 is onni. This is another Korean noun for sister, but this time, this is used by a younger sister. Word number 73 is hyung. This is a Korean noun for brother, but this is used by a younger brother. Word number 72 is oppa. This is another Korean noun for brother, but this time, this could be used by a younger sister. Word number 71 is omoni, and this is the Korean noun for mother. Word number 70 is aboji, and this is the Korean noun for father. And the last for our review is word number 69, najume. This is an adverb of time, which means later. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.